working on Excel, Project Review 1. We are in the beginning part of the project called FTSales. The first task wants us to go ahead and rename this tab and call it Sales Data. There are a few ways to do this, but I normally just double click on the sheet here, and we can go ahead and type that, capital S, capital D. Make sure you hit Enter when you're done to set that text, and we'll go ahead and mark that that task was completed. The next task wants us to go ahead and change the color of this worksheet tab. So what we can do here is on Sales Data, we're going to go ahead and right click. We're going to go ahead and hover over Tab Color. And then what we're looking for is Blue Accent 5. You want to make sure you hover if you're not sure, and we'll select that. We'll mark that we completed the task. The final task wants us to go ahead and rename the other two worksheets, and we're going to change the name of the second worksheet. So what we can do is we'll double click on sheet 2. We'll go ahead and type in quarter totals. It tells us to change the color of this one to orange accent 2. And then what we're going to do is rename sheet 3 to employee record. And we'll go ahead and mark that we completed this task.